So guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your photos like Nolanomura Instagram profile in Lightroom. If you will open the Instagram profile, you can find a perfect and kind of unique bluish tone, desaturated blue tone with kind of gold skin tone in the photo. The mostly photos are underwater, so we're gonna just edit the photo which is very similar to this profile. I have already downloaded it, so you can just use that photo in photo editing, and let's see how it actually looks. So let's open the Lightroom, and here are some of the photo which I have selected to edit photo like here, like that profile. Now let's select this photo, or let's just select some more photos with the help of, now let's add some kind of contrast to the photo. Or let's select this photograph. So this photo we're gonna just increase the contrast to the image, and now you can see bit of shadows, very much desaturated. So we're gonna just reduce the shadows in the photo and increase some kind of blackness, and a little bit increase the whiteness in the image, and we're gonna just reduce the highlights. This is totally up to you guys. You can just adjust the some kind of correction, minor correction according to your photo. We're gonna just reduce the highlights. Now go to the blue calibration tab and select the blue primary color. From there we're gonna just select this slider. Now let's add some kind of sharpness on the photo. Now here the main thing starts, that is HSL tab. Now what we're gonna do is just put the hue of the blue tone and the aqua color. Select the blue tone and just reduce it to plus 4067, and just select the aqueous color to kind of minus plus 11. Or let's just make it to kind of bluish effect. Now we're gonna just reduce the saturation of that color tone and reduce some little bit of bluish tone. The saturation, you can see the photo is kind of looking very mattish. So we're gonna just add a curve tone to the photo with the help of RGB curve. Now we'll click one point over here and one point over here, and just increase from the bottom to top to get that perfect matte effect to the photo, right? So we're gonna just increase the matte effect in the photo. Now let's take some more photo and let's see some more adjustment, a perfect adjustment. Now if you will notice, then you can find that generally the photo contains a very much black effect on the bottom screen of the image. In most of all the every photos, almost every photo contains a very black effect on the bottom of the image. So we're gonna just add a kind of black effect. Before adding to the black effect, let's make some more correction on this saturation of this blue tone, because we want that perfect bluish effect to our photos. So we're gonna just make it until we achieve that perfect blue tone to the photograph. Let's reduce the blue primary color. Now guys, I'll also give you this preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, and also the camera preset, which I have personally handcrafted for you guys. So you can just download it for free. All the links are down given in the description. Now we're gonna select the graduated filter from here and just make it on the bottom of the image. Now we're gonna just increase a little bit of contrast, reduce the black, saturate or exposure to get that perfect black effect on the photo. Let's rotate it in this kind of direction, and still more reduce the exposure to get that perfect black effect. Let's just decrease some shadows. So just hit OK. And guys, you can see the difference is really looking very similar to that of this profile. So we're gonna save this preset and just to name it as, let's add some more, reduce some vibrance and increase the saturation of the image a little bit to get that little adjustment. Now we're gonna save this preset, so let's name it as FT and slash and kind of Nolanomura inspired AVC. AVC stands for ashvircreations website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, and FT stands for filterpreset.com 2020. Now let's create this. Now let's take some more example image and let's apply the same preset to the photo. So let's just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing, guys. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this preset and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very exact and similar, which is very much amazing. So you can guys use this preset and just turn your photo to kind of very amazing look, just like that profile. So let's add this effect and you are done. Let's try it on this. Just click on the preset and you are done. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. So guys, thank you for watching.